Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel Henna Life. In this video, I'll be sharing with you some henna tips how to apply it properly for beginners especially. Okay, so the first tip for beginners is if you are drawing it or applying a henna on your friend's hand, then place a cushion under your friend's hand. Now you can do this step while sitting on a sofa, ground or bed. Be comfortable and do not listen to nearby people's teasing. And do not get too much excited or you will end up doing everything wrong. Till now, you must have learned how to make a design just by seeing it. So start from the place farthest from you, the wrist, and proceed towards the thumb. Then center of the hand to the index finger. Then from the middle finger to the pinky one. And finish the design. Wait for henna to dry. It dries very quickly as you apply it, but it is a form of dye, so you have to wait till it dries completely on the hand. About 10 hours maximum. The best way to do this is to apply henna before going to bed and wash it off when you wake up in the morning. Wash it with tap water and see the result. I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say in this video. If you found this video a little informative, then please do subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks, and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you will be get notified whenever I upload a video on my channel. And please share this video with your friends who are just beginners like you. If you found this video helpful, then please like this video and comment for more such informative videos and for more henna tips and tricks. I'll be very glad to share it. Thanks for watching. Bye and Allah Hafiz.